Welcome to another episode of Tinkerine Experiments. Today we are going to take a look at smoothing 3D printed cubes that were printed with different resolutions. Essentially, we are looking into finding out whether or not the resolutions actually affect the smoothing process. We have 3 cubes here that were printed with 300, 200, and 100 microns. We'll start with the 300 micron cube. We'll sand each cube for roughly 5 minutes and then we'll see the results. I would believe that 300 microns would be the easiest and the fastest to smooth out because there are less layers compared to 200 and 100 microns. But I guess we'll find out. Now let's move on to the 200 micron cube. Last of all, the 100 micron cube. Let's compare them. Here are the results. I would say from sanding for 5 minutes, it would look like out of the 3, the smoothest looking one is definitely the 100 micron, just from looking at it. I also believe that 100 micron is the smoothest to the touch. This is completely different than what I first hypothesized. So it would seem like resolution actually plays a part in smoothing out or post-processing your print afterwards. Well, there we have it. We tried smoothing 3D printed cubes that were printed with different resolutions. Surprisingly, the 100 micron cube is the easiest and the smoothest print out of all 3 after 5 minutes of sanding. I thought it would be the 300 microns as there are less layers to sand down, but I guess not. Printing 100 microns does make it easier to sand and post-process, and I guess resolution does play a part in post-processing. What an interesting find. Before I end, I just want to remind everyone about Tinkerine U. It is a platform that has a lot of teaching resources like 3D printing courses, STEAM challenges, and CAD tutorials. So be sure to check it out. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you did not, then a thumbs down below. Remember to subscribe and comment on what experiments you would like to see in the future. Thank you for watching.